guys? Forever Infinity or Infinite, however you guys want to call me. And if this video gets 50 likes, which I know we can do 50 likes, then I'm gonna literally get a whole bunch of air horns and just to make an entire video dedicated to air horns. And in that video I'm gonna be blasting people with air horns. I'm gonna be pranking random strangers outside, in public places, in my front yard, in houses. I'm just gonna walk up to them or from far away and just blast them with some air horns and see how we can, if we get people's reactions and what it is. So 50 likes and I'll do that video, me just pranking people with air horns. 50 likes, 50 likes, and I'll do it. So yeah, subscribe too.